DC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, I'm making the forecast all day long. All I'm thinking about is gumbo. There will be gumbo in my future and probably most of yours as well as the weather turns toward winter. Bitterly cold weather, a stiff north wind and wind chills in the 30s, temperatures barely in the low to mid 40s, and that's what we're going to have just for the next 2 days. And then eventually we see the sun and freezing temperatures. It looks like Thursday morning right now, but it's going to be pretty cold and pretty raw. And to add to the misery index, as it gets colder tonight, we have more rain on the way, as the predictive radar has been going with throughout the afternoon. If you've been following us on social media, here comes the rain. It's going to be a rainy evening up until it looks like about midnight, and things might quiet down. Heaviest weather offshore, that's clipping St. Mary Parish and the southeastern parishes of Louisiana. Big severe storms way out here in the Gulf of Mexico, so we're done with that severe weather threat. It was an interesting day all in all, but kind of a nothing burger with respect to storm-wise what this was across the area. So no severe weather, even though we started the day with a tornado watch. We did have some healthy storms, but nothing severe. And now we have the nuisance rains coming on in. We see that on your predictive radar as we head to 7, 8 o'clock tonight. On and off rainfall, an excellent bet, moderate in spots, maybe a rumble of thunder toward the coast, but not likely at this point. Just plain old rain, and periods of rain will continue through about 9, 10 o'clock as well. And then heading around midnight, things start to wind down, but I think we still have the misty drizzles, and we see that coming in toward tomorrow morning. So a dreary start to our Tuesday, as temperatures will be in the 40s and wind chills will be in the 30s. Still holding out in the 50s right now across most of Acadiana, but we get off to the north and west. We see temperatures in the 40s. Look at this, Dallas coming in at 36 degrees, 39 in Waco. So some pretty cold air on the way. Meanwhile, conditions offshore due to strong north winds, gale warnings have been posted. So as we take a look at what we're seeing for tomorrow morning, temperatures in the lower 40s. Notice these numbers will not change as we go throughout our day with the overcast skies. Again, the rain's diminishing as we head toward lunchtime, but it stays cloudy, breezy, and cool. Those clouds try to thin out. We're still left with plenty of high clouds going into Wednesday morning, so that should keep our temperatures from going below freezing until Thursday morning. As long as the clouds stay locked in, upper 30s, there's going to be a wind chill as well, pushing the upper 20s, but eventually those high clouds clear out late Wednesday evening into the nighttime hours. Sunshine returning finally on Sunday. So temperatures tonight, I think Futurecast might be a little aggressive here, but we'll favor upper 30s to lower 40s northern parishes, again with that cloud cover staying locked in. Lower 40s I-10 corridor, and I'd bet maybe a degree or two milder, but temperatures don't change throughout the day tomorrow. So whatever we have at 7 in the morning is probably what you're going to have at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Lower 40s coastal parishes as well. So temperatures starting out in the low to mid 40s, wind chills in the mid 30s. Here we are at lunchtime, wind chill mid 30s, wind chill at mid 30s at drive time, stiff north breeze at northwest, northwest wind stays with us through Wednesday morning as well. We'll go upper 30s Wednesday, low to mid 40s again for Wednesday afternoon. Wind chill is going to be the story with that stiff north wind, chills staying in the mid 30s throughout the day tomorrow. And then as we head into tomorrow night and Wednesday morning with temperatures dropping into the 30s, we think our wind chills will be in the upper 20s for Wednesday morning. Is this normal? Well, kind of, yeah, for the northern parishes. First freeze of the season should come around mid-November. I-10 parishes normally between November 20th and 21st, so a week or two early for some, and after December 1st along the coast. And I think we see freezing temperatures all the way down to the coast, so about 2 to 3 weeks early for our coastal parishes for that first freeze. So more than likely rain arriving later on tonight, 70% on your rain chances, 42 the low tomorrow. The rain tapers to morning drizzle. Wind chills that hold in the mid-30s all day long with that stiff north wind. And as we go into Wednesday, staying overcast. It's going to look like it wants to snow for tomorrow and Wednesday, but it won't. Too early for that type of scenario, and this is not a weather pattern conducive for that, but temperatures at or below freezing Thursday morning for a few hours, and Friday morning right at the frost zone. I think Friday morning is when we'll see that Cajun Creole snow on the ground, which is actually frost. It won't be snow. And then going into the weekend, we start getting milder back into the 60s and some 70s next week.
All right, good to know. Thanks, Rob.